Hello everyone, I will show you how to solve this error. Error failed to build a S project. We run xcodebuild command, but it exits with error 65. Um, this error appeared to me after I pulled the project on macOS environment, um, and I will run. It's because the package Reactivate vector icons has a answer to solve yet. So the first step we will do is inside the iOS folder of our project, we will run pod install. Um, wait some moments. Nice. After you run pod install inside the OS folder, you open Xcode. So you run the file, open. Inside the OS folder of our project, you see the project name dot xc workspace, and you open this file here. This icon, you'll see the project name and this configs and build phrase. You scroll down everything and you see output files. You select all and remove. After this, you can see there is nothing here, so we can run. Just so I'm running again because I'm running after this video to test something. It's running. It's all. If you like this video, put a like here on this video. I'm closing the project. Comment if you have some question. I will answer you, and it's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll understand this video. Until the next video.